So this is TP-Link Wi-Fi USB adapter, or you can say Wi-Fi dongle. I have purchased it for my PC and I am using it for really long time. In this video I am going to tell you some pros and cons about this Wi-Fi dongle and should you purchase it or not. So hi friends, welcome to my channel, and without wasting your time, let's start. Okay, so first I'm going to talk about the information that is present on the box. After that, I'm going to mention that what's inside this box. Then I'm going to show you that how it works. And after that, finally, pros and cons. Talking about the information, as you can see, 300 Mbps speed support, but it supports only 2.4 GHz band. It supports Windows, Linux and Mac. Here is some information about the system compatibility. On the back side, there is some more information. So talking about the main thing, price. Its price is rupees 589 on Amazon. So let's see that for this price, is it worth or not? Now I'm going to tell you that what all things you will get inside the box. First thing is this TP-Link Wi-Fi dongle. Next thing is this CD, and last thing is user manual. So this is TP-Link Wi-Fi dongle. Okay, and there is one button. I think it is for WPS. This is WPS button. Now let's see that how you have to connect it with your computer. Now it's time to check that how this dongle works. This is my PC which is of Dell and model number is Optiplex 7020, which is of Intel i5 4th gen. So first I am going to turn it on, and I have not connected the Wi-Fi dongle. Okay, now it is on. Before connecting this Wi-Fi dongle, first I am going to show you the settings. This is network and internet settings, and as you can see there is no network or there is no internet. Now I am going to connect this. So as you have seen, now I can connect my Wi-Fi. Deshpande 2.4 GHz connection is now available, so I can connect it. It's time for speed test. Before that, I am going to tell you one thing, that my Wi-Fi plan is of 50 Mbps. Let's see that how is the speed. Okay, 39 Mbps. As I have mentioned that my Wi-Fi plan is of 50 Mbps and this dongle is giving me speed of nearly 39 Mbps, which is good. So let's talk about the pros and cons. First thing that I liked about this USB Wi-Fi receiver or USB dongle is the speed. Speed is really good, but there is one thing which I have noticed. I am going to mention it in the cons. Second thing is the dedicated WPS button. It comes with dedicated WPS button. Now I don't know that this is exactly WPS button or not. If I am wrong, please correct me in the comment section. Also, I like the price, 589 rupees. Price is really good. Current price is rupees 589, and overall I will say it is really good for the price. First thing that I did not like about this USB Wi-Fi receiver is that it supports only 2.4 GHz connection. If you have dual band router and if you want 5 GHz, then this Wi-Fi dongle is not for you. You have to purchase separate dual band supported Wi-Fi dongle. And last thing that I did not like about this dongle, as I mentioned that my Wi-Fi plan is of 50 Mbps, and as you have seen that it was giving me speed of nearly 39 Mbps, but sometimes I have noticed that it was also giving me less speed. But I will say that this is really good dongle. For 589 rupees you are getting 3 years warranty also. This is also main thing. Conclusion, I will say that you can consider this Wi-Fi dongle if you want single band supported Wi-Fi dongle, if you want dual band supported USB Wi-Fi receiver or Wi-Fi dongle, then you can consider any other. That's it. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Saumil_AAT. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.